representing the slope in this direction. So if I just pick a point, you know, kind of f sub x is telling me the slope from that point in the direct, you know, parallel to the x direction. How is that changing? How is that slope changing as I move then that way? Okay, so you can kind of, to me it looks like for this particular, as I move this way, to me it looks like it's getting, the slope is becoming, I think, more negative. Like right here it's dark and shadowy because I think this is a steeper downward direction. Okay, so like here, I think it's a more negative slope than here. Okay, so that would tell me that f sub xy should be negative because my slope is becoming more negative as I move towards the y direction. And f sub y is talking about the slope if I move from that point in the y direction, but then if I move in the x direction, what's happening to that slope? It turns out it ends up being the same value, but again, it looks like we're getting steeper as I move this way. My slope is becoming steeper but downhill, so a more negative slope as I move that way. Okay, so f sub xy is an expression of how the slope is changing as the slope, the dz dx, is changing as I move in the y direction. But it turns out that you actually get the same value if you find the slope in the y direction and then analyze what's happening as you move in the x direction. And that's a fairly good picture to kind of see that on, but I know some of them it's a little easier to interpret and see it than.
Is that an I?